dyed my hair pink. Today I'm going to be playing dress up with you guys, which is one of my favorite things to do. Now that my hair is pink, I have so much inspiration to pick out a bunch of outfits. So yeah, today I'm gonna be styling outfits to go with my new pink hair. Let's begin. If I was a cartoon character, this would be my default outfit. I am obsessed. Like, I don't even think obsessed is the correct word. We have to go like more than obsessed. I'm that about this combination. The socks perfectly match with the dress. The shoes have the same pink. And then obviously the hair. This is all of my strawberry shortcake fantasies come to life. This is the best outfit. I might as well end the video now. I want somebody to take me to brunch and order me a strawberry Bellini. That is the vibe in this look, and I am obsessed. I don't know who I think I am. I don't know who I think I am, but I love her. Okay, the reason why I went with this look is because normally I don't like a black and white outfit, but like with colored hair, a black and white look just looks so good. So like, I'm living for this. I don't know if everybody's gonna like this outfit, but I really like it, so I think that's all that matters. Please don't be mean to me. I'm sensitive. This bandana, it's literally just a bandana that I tied. It has very bad profanity on it though. I apologize. Then I have these shorts, which were a DIY. They were originally mom jeans. Oh, and I also got them altered to fit me. These jeans I entirely reconstructed. Then just some white socks. And I got these really cute sandals from Depop. I've been wanting a pair like this for so long, but I found these and I just love that they're like an athletic sandal. And I know I'm wearing them with socks. Controversial? I think it's cute. And then I have this book bag because obviously it matches, and if I feel like I'm around a lot of creepy people or creepy men outside, I can just, you know, cover my whole back up. It sucks that we have to live like that. Can I just say it sucks as a woman that we have to prepare for scenarios like that. Anyways, next outfit. Who is she? I love this look. Personally, I love brown with the pink. I just didn't know that this hair color was gonna change my life so much, but I'm obsessed. I love how like the blue paisley goes with the set, and then my hair, and then headband matches. I think my vibe recently has just been super coordination, like to the extreme. This outfit kind of gives me Miami vibes. I don't know, I'm just obsessed. I think that this is like a classy, very chic look, and I feel like my fashion has been improving. I'm allowed to gas myself up, okay? Oh my god. I feel like I'm a plastic in this look. Like between the low rise pants and the little like cardigan with the tank under, I think I would have Regina George shook right now. Just saying. I'm not sure if you can like really see it, but I'm wearing this like pink little bralette. There you go. It's from Hara, the label. Ethically made, sustainably produced. And then I have this little cardigan, my yoga pants. I usually wear these like a little bit more high-rise, but today I was like, let me just bring them down for the sake of the look. And my pink Simone rocha mesh bag, because it was giving me college vibes, school vibes. Like, I just need a little tote. Oh my god, I'm late. Let me go. Oh, I feel like Elle Woods. That's who I feel like in this. Like, I definitely would like walk up, people would be like, and I'd be like, what, like it's hard? This outfit gives giant don't fuck with me vibes. Like if I'm waiting for the train and I'm just like, I don't think anybody is gonna talk to me, and I like that. But as I was saying before, like brown with this hair color is kind of like more of a mauve-y pink. I custom mixed this color up with a bunch of different colors, but I think that the tone of it looks so good with browns. But yeah, anyways, this is the look. And I feel very comfy, and I'm also really hungry right now, so I'm gonna go take a break and eat some pasta. Peace. So this is the next look, the angelic. I absolutely love this look. Again, with the pink hair, is just Chef's kiss. When I had my super dark hair, I don't think that I would be portraying the same vibe that I'm portraying right now with the pink hair. I love that we get to choose how we're perceived every day. It's probably my favorite part of every day. These I thrifted, but they are vintage traffic jeans, which have slowly become my new obsession. I started looking them up on Depop, and I highly recommend it. These ones have like this really pretty lace and this like light acid wash vibe, and then the lace continues in the back. So cute. When I saw these, I literally like had to get them, and I was like, okay, they literally look like they will fit me. And they did! But yeah, I love finding like really good things thrifting because it just makes me so happy to talk about them. Is this considered cottagecore? I'm like not so familiar with all these new aesthetics. So I don't want to get anybody mad, but is this cottagecore? Because I kind of think so. Regardless, I love this look. On to the next. I love this outfit! Obviously there was gonna be a lot of pink in this video. Pink hair, pink outfits, it's just, it has to be done, you know? It just makes sense. But I love this outfit so much. One, because I wore this outfit to Disney World, minus the sweater, but I wore this exact outfit pre-COVID. That was my last vacation before COVID, I think. It was! Now I'm sad. But anyways, the other reason why I love this outfit is because the sweater matches the shirt perfectly. This tank top was actually gifted to me from one of my viewers' Depop shops, and I love it so much. I wear it all the time when it's super hot out. This outfit makes me want to do a summer activity. Something wholesome. Yeah, that's how I'm feeling. I feel like Bubbles. She was always my favorite because she was blonde and cute and had pigtails. But I've shown these pieces so many times, so I don't want to spend too much time on this outfit. I just really wanted to show you guys that I just felt so cute, like the coolest superhero. If I saw somebody in this outfit with this hair in the street, I would be like, she looks so good. But sometimes I put on outfits like this and I go outside and I start feeling a little insecure, so I just fake it till I make it. But sometimes I don't make it, and I feel like this might be an outfit that doesn't make it outside. I wish I could be like performing in this, like, hello New York! I just feel so cute. I'm also getting a little tired and I'm running out of ideas for outfits. So let's see how many more I can come up with. This outfit surprised me, I'm not gonna lie. I have never thought to pair this top with these jeans. Honestly, I didn't wear these jeans a lot because they're dark wash and I just really don't like dark colors on me. But now that my hair is light, I think it gives like such a different vibe. With this tank top, it almost gives such like a Y2K moment. But yeah, I think like I'm gonna start wearing these jeans a lot more now. Wait. I need my Y2K sunnies. Cannot forget the Prada shades. I actually really want to invest in some new shades, so please let me know if you know anywhere that sells vintage designer shades. Tell me down below. But yeah, this outfit is a total vibe, and this makes me feel like a cool mom. Like, you know when like they do the drive up, roll down the window, hi sweetie, like come in, and then like all of the kids are like, oh my god, is that your sister? And she's like, no, it's my mom. I want to be that mom. Okay, anyways, this look rejuvenated me. Let's go on to the next look. I'm feeling like a hot ass bitch right now. Do we see the back? This dress is the one to wear when you are going somewhere with a potential boo that you're talking to that you really want to make them your boo. A dress like this will get you there, and I'm talking from personal experience. Just everything about this look is amazing. When my hair was darker, I really didn't like to wear a lot of black because honestly I just felt so insecure wearing black. Still, black is like, ugh, do I like it, do I not? I think I'm starting to like it now, but definitely that my hair is lighter, it's becoming more wearable for me to wear like a full black look. Okay, enough of this. Let's go on to the next look. I'm 50-50 on this one, I'm not gonna lie. I think I am running out of creative juices to make outfits because I can't tell if this is a mess or if this is cute or if this just screams like 2014 Tumbler, American Apparel crushed velvet days. I don't even know. I think it's cute. It's giving me big cheerleader vibes. I wish I knew like some Yeah, I did not think circle skirt was gonna be in my vocabulary in 2021, but it's here. Please, I don't know if this outfit is cute or not. Do I look like an overgrown toddler, or is this kind of cute? I think the next outfit will be my last one because I don't want to give you guys shitty outfits. I want to give you guys quality. I want to give you guys quality because I don't know what this is. Okay, this outfit is actually so cute, but I think the only reason I made a good outfit is because this was already put together for me. I'm loving this pink fairy yoga, just like free, feeling so like zen. I'm feeling so centered. I'm feeling like rose quartz personified. I need to stop. I also really just like it like this too. Like, this is such a good summer, just a good summer moment. And then you can do this. Hold up, does this look good? Yeah, you can like kind of do this vibe, like picnic. But yeah, I don't know how many outfits that was, but I hope it was enough. I just can't think of any more. My brain just can't do it right now. Maybe I can do a part 2, or leave a comment of another like themed outfits video I should do. Yeah, do that please. Thank you. I will really appreciate that. So yeah, that was all of the outfits that I could come up with. I really do love doing these kind of dress up videos with you guys and get ready with me type of things, so let me know if you guys enjoyed them. And yeah, I had a lot of fun with this. Let me know if you like my hair. But yeah, that's it for this video. I love you guys so much from the bottom of my heart. And yeah, I'm gonna go. Bye! Peace the fuck out!